Good afternoon. This is Kay Around the House with Kay and Tom. Tonight, my son came from North Carolina, so we're just going to cook a quick dinner tonight with chicken thighs. So what I've done is I've got just a regular biscuit pan or cookie sheet, whatever you want to call it. And all I need to do is I'm going to take this butter and we're just going to rub over this. This just keeps the chicken from sticking. I'm forever cooking something I haven't cooked before, but this is just something I have cooked before, so I know, I sort of know what I'm doing this time, so we're just going to grease this aluminum foil. Trying to think what kind of spice I wanted on my chicken right quick, so we're just going to take the pan. 5 pieces in here. And today I'm just going to use all-purpose chicken seasoning by Lawry. And I'm just going to put some in this chicken. Spice it up just a little bit. I have got my oven set for 375, so it should be ready by the time I get this done. And we're going to start off with the skin facing up. They are really big thighs, really big. Alright, you do not have to cover it or anything. All I'm going to do is put it in the oven. I'm going to cook it for an hour, but halfway through I'm just going to turn it over. So let's get it in the oven. And I'm going to first set my time to 30 minutes because I want to turn it over after 30 minutes. And knowing me, if I don't set a timer, I'll be forgot it. So I've got it for 30 minutes. And we're going to start it. And it's in the oven. I was in North Carolina, and everybody just brags about this George's BBQ sauce. And I did try it. It is good. And so I bought me a bottle of it, and I'm going to, when this gets done, I'm going to put some George's BBQ sauce, original barbecue sauce over it. And it reminds you a lot of, it's just a vinegar-based barbecue sauce, but you can also put whatever you prefer. I like Smithfield barbecue sauce too. As I say, I'm from North Carolina, so that will be what I'll put over it. And that's all we're going to have to do with the chicken deal. So I'll be back in 30 minutes and we'll turn the chicken over. Again, Kay and Tom, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe, give me your comments, and I'll be back. Just beep to let me, my timer just beep to let me know that my chicken's been cooking for 30 minutes. So we're going to just take it and turn it over. Put it back in the oven for 30 more minutes at 375. Then we're going to take it out and put some barbecue sauce on it, and we'll be ready for dinner almost. I'm going to put it back in there just so the skin on top will get a little bit crispy. The chicken is done, but we're going to make it crispier with the chicken crispy on top. The chicken got a little crusty on top, just like I wanted. And what I'm going to do, you can either take a brush and pour this or put this on here, but I'm just going to pour a little bit on here. And we're going to put it in a dish and pour a little bit more sauce on it. And we'll be ready to eat very shortly after I fix the mashed potatoes and green beans. This really smells good. Just want you to see that it is done. Looks very good. Okay, let's this is 4 chicken thighs baked in the oven for 1 hour. Turned it over at 30 minutes. Baked it another 30 minutes. I put it back in the oven and turned it on broil with the skin side up so it could get a little bit crispy. And I have poured George's barbecue sauce on top of it. Just as soon as I can cream the potatoes, we will be ready for our dinner. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Thank you for looking at my video. And please try it and subscribe and give me your comments. Have a very good afternoon. Bye.